this is Simon from Fingers on Plastic, and I've had a rather nice looking delivery. Weighty beast. It is, of course, my shiny new Xbox. And you hate it, right, when they put the tear strip on and you tear it, and some bright spark has glued down either side of said tear strip, rendering it pretty much useless. Anyhow, this is I've been wanting to upgrade for quite a while. I've still got my Scorpio edition and I've been using that as my Xbox, because the fact of the matter is I've not been able to get hold of an Xbox Series X because they're always out of stock, and I refuse to pay scalper prices. Just flat out refuse. So anyway, inside said box we have this. This is a very nice box though. The top is nice and spangly. We have a nice picture on the side. It's yeah, it's all rather good looking. So we'll take off the slip case. Oh, it's lovely. Really, no, I really like all the. We've got Master Chief. Master Chief. That's really properly nice. Just trying to figure out how you open it. Very well packed so far. Oh wow. Oh, this is quite lovely. Hold on, let me switch it around. So it's in a nice, and we've got the foam that I'm a big fan of, that I've said many times. More foam. That's really nice. Look at that. That is just gorgeous picture of the Chief. 20 years. Nice little cheeky 117 here. So this is a weighty beast. Luckily it's not as big as I thought it was going to be. Ooh. Let's have a look what's in here. Beautifully boxed. I really like the boxings. Yeah, there's something weird thing. There's the console, but I'm excited about the box. Oh wow. That is gorgeous. It's got the rubber on the back. Oh, 20 years. What a beautiful control pad. It's a shame I'm going to have to use it, really, isn't it? It will be used. Oh, it comes with batteries. That is stunning. Let's open the main event. It's quite funny. So here I am unboxing a brand new video game console that I've been looking forward to for quite some time. I'm really excited about the box. So taking it out of the cardboard sleeve. Yes, we've got some nice little UNSC 117, and it's now in like this black tissue. Well, not tissue. It's wrapped like a Christmas present that would be wrapped nicely. Oh, it's so pretty. I mean, my goodness. Oh, there's the back 20. That's the side. This thing is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, beautiful, beautiful console. Well, I just need to go and make sure it fits in the space I've got for it, please. Yeah, it does. So far so good. So have we got everything? It's just so obviously there's the control pad. That's in there. 20 years on the accessories box. Instructions how to use it. Power cable. Ooh, nice little HDMI cable. All good stuff. So that is me unboxing. I'm currently copying about a terabyte of data from my old Xbox onto a hard drive so I can plug it into the new one. Which, yes, I should have done last night, but didn't. Okay, I didn't. I'm just going to sit and hold this pad, and then we'll boot it up in a bit. Oh, we've got we've got notes on the side. I'll take a picture of that. I would say I'll read it, but I haven't got my glasses. Ever since I started wearing glasses, my eyes have just gotten worse and worse. We crafted this limited edition console to celebrate you, our fans. Oh, this monolith of power and performance serves as an expression of our gratitude to all who've inspired and joined us in exploring this spectacular universe. I can read, I just can't see, just for those wondering. Halo Infinite is our grandest adventure yet, and we invite you to discover its mysteries with us. I am quite looking forward to Halo Infinite, but it's got a tough job ahead of it, isn't it? I mean, we're not going to get into Halo Infinite massively, but it's got a tough job ahead of it. This is a stunningly beautiful console. Right, that's it for the video. Thank you very much. Bye.
Fingers on plastic.